The reason, as I mentioned, is to aid in forest restoration. Decades of neglect in Forest Park led to a shift in species composition over time. The forest started off as like a drier, more open, oak-dominated forest type, and eventually, over time, transitioned to a moister, shadier, and denser forest. So you can see that up in the left-hand corner. This new forest type was dominated by like maple species and other shade tolerant species, really different from the oak forest that had been there before historically. So in order to restore the forest to the prior historical oak forest, the park removed some of the trees in a targeted strategic way and followed with a controlled burn. And I like to think of this as sort of like a 1-2 punch. It's like you remove some of the trees, you do a burn, and then you reset the forest trajectory back to the drier, more open oak forest that had been there historically. And so you can see this story of forest restoration really playing out in a clear way in this photo sequence, from starting in the left-hand corner and then going to the right-hand corner after a couple years. And then finally in 2019 in the bottom, we have this like beautiful open forest structure that actually looks really healthy and nice. And I can say, you know, like these management activities also open up sightlines. And I can say personally that I would feel a lot safer walking alone through a forest that looks more like the bottom photo than the upper left-hand photo.